What is going on, guys? Part 5. The only thing I have to do is cut these two wires in here. I've been cut off so many times already. Quite funny, actually. Alright, one wire cut. Now I have to cut the black wire. Haha! Got it! Got it! All 3 circuit boards right there, ripped right out of that printer. Look at that mess I made. Look at that. That, over the span of 5 parts, that is pretty cool. I feel accomplished. I really do. I feel truly accomplished. Well, now all that's left to do is put it all in the recycling bin. So yeah, this wasn't the 100 subscriber special. That's going to be for the cruise that I'm going to be going on. I had fun making these videos with you guys. So, until next time, this is Zach, out.